We started working with Meet Green in 2012. A lot of what we'll be going through is basically by working with Meet Green. They've been an amazing partner of ours. So first of all, we wanted to increase our compliance score of Imex America staff and vendor practices against level 1 Apex ASTM standards. Our second goal was to measure and decrease the event footprint in terms of water, energy, emissions, and waste. Third, very important, obviously we've been talking about educating our attendees, exhibitors, buyers, on issues and solutions related to sustainability practices within our industry and giving back to the community. So how did we do that? Our approach was very much pre-event, defining our expectations, setting goals, and putting those goals in every single vendor contract. So we had goals for every single one of our suppliers.